morning, Emma. Good morning, Emma. Good morning, Oliver. Good morning, Oliver.
Hey, Emma. Good morning.
Oliver, hi. I was just heading to the library.
Me too. Let's walk together.
I have a book today. I have a book today.
Oh, what book is it? Oh, what book is it?
It is a storybook. It is a storybook. It is a storybook.
I like storybooks. I like storybooks.
This book is for you. This book is for you.
For me? Really? For me? Really?
Yes, Emma. It is for you. Yes, Emma. It is for you.
Thank you, Oliver. Thank you so much. I am feeling very grateful. I am feeling very grateful.
Please open it and see. Please open it and see.
Oh, the pictures are beautiful. Oh, the pictures are beautiful.
I like this book too. I like this book too. I like this book too.
Yes, you are mine too. Yes, you are mine too.
You are my good friend. You are my good friend.
You are very kind, Oliver. You are very kind, Oliver.
I walked to college today. I walked to college today. The sun is shining today. The sun is shining today.
I see you on the road. I see you on the road. The birds are singing too. The birds are singing too.
I am feeling happy now. I am feeling happy now.
Me too. This is nice. Me too. This is nice.
I sit near the window. I sit near the window. I sit near you today. I sit near you today. We are reading together now. We are reading together now. I love this story, Oliver. I love this story, Oliver. Which part do you like? Which part do you like? I like the green garden. I like the green garden. There is a river there. There is a river there.
Our village has a river. Our village has a river.
Yes, it is very beautiful.
We can read by the river. We can read by the river. That is a nice idea. That is a nice idea.
I am smiling right now. I am smiling right now.
I can see your smile. I can see your smile. Me too. I feel happy. Me too. I feel happy.
This book is making me happy. This book is making me happy.
Our tutor is coming now. Our tutor is coming now. I hold my book carefully. I hold my book carefully.
I watch you hold it. I watch you hold it.
I am taking care of it. I am taking care of it.
That makes me feel good. That makes me feel good.
I will read it tonight. I will read it tonight.
Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think.
I will tell you tomorrow. I will tell you tomorrow.
I am smiling, Oliver. Thank you.
You are welcome anytime. You are welcome anytime.
I walk home now. See you. See you tomorrow, Oliver. See you tomorrow, Oliver.
Goodbye, Emma. Take care.
Goodbye, Oliver. I am happy. Goodbye, Oliver. I am happy.